Hello everyone and welcome to music. This week we're gonna study the first part of the history of classical music, which is called medieval music. And let's start with our hello song. Hello everybody, it's so nice to see you. How are you doing today? It's time now for music, for relaxation. Are you ready to hear now all that the musicians will play? All right, I think you're ready and we have a lot to cover today. So let's start. So in medieval music, like we said in our introduction, the music was played in the church and music related to the church. So let's start by listening to this song, and it's called Summer is ikumen in, which is summer is coming. In our case, is living. So there are 3 points that today I want to make with this lesson. The first one is the importance of singing in rounds. Singing in rounds means to, like this song, there were people singing in one place, and then there were people starting singing after a few seconds. So actually it's not so difficult to create harmony, and let's see why.
Singing. We do it every day in music class. But what if it sounded like this? What you just heard was a choir singing in harmony. Harmony is when 2 or more pitches are sung or played at the same time. Though it may seem hard to sing in harmony, to get started is pretty easy. For example, let's use the round. A round is where we sing the same melody, but we start at different times. Here is the melody from Round and Round the Earth is Turning, just by itself. Round and round the earth is turning, turning, always round to morning, and from morning round to night. Here is that same melody, but this time it's going to be sung in a 3-part round. Listen for the 3 different parts to enter. Round and round the earth is turning, round and round, ways round is turning, round and round, ways round is turning, and from morning round to morning, and from morning round to night. There you have it. Singing in harmony isn't so bad after all. If everyone is confident with the melody, we can all sing in perfect harmony.
Created using Powtoon.
Okay, so this is how we can learn easily to create a harmony. Why don't you try with your teacher to try, maybe you can try to get like a very easy song like row, row, row the boat, and try to do it. The second activity that I would like to do with you today is to listen to this Gregorian chant, and we can try to read the words together. Even if it's Latin, we can just read it, and we can follow the lyrics, and we can try to follow the lyrics. We can try to listen, or we can try to sing. There are 3 ways to do this one, okay?
Gaudeamus omnes in Domino, diem festum celebrantes sub honore sanctorum omnium, de quorum solemnitate gaudem angeli et collaudat filium Dei. Exultate just in Domino, rectos decet collaudatio. Gloria Patri et Filio et Spiritui Sancto.
So, as you can listen, it's very spiritual and related to the church, and it's beautiful because it's in Latin, and this is actually how they were writing music. So this is the first composition in music that we have nowadays. The third activity that I would like to do today is related to something written also, like the illumination is a way that using just the first letter of a page, you embellish that letter and you draw that letter, and you write it capital letter. And I want to show you an example of what is illumination. But you can even take your name and embellish the first letter of your name and do it as an exercise. Look at how beautiful it is. Look at these letters, how beautiful they are. And you can just look for illumination online and letter text illumination, and you can find some activities to draw your first name. And the second one is the text. When we write letters, the wax seals. When we write letters and then we put the wax to seal them and to put a stamp. This is another invention that was done in the medieval time. So today we also talk about something about the text, not only music, during the medieval time. And because the two instruments that were played during this time were the lute and the recorder. So what I would like you to do is to put some music, medieval music, lute, medieval music, or recorder, medieval music, and draw some illumination text and some of the wax seal stamp. Maybe create your own stamp. And it's everything I have to say for today's lesson, and I hope you enjoy it, and I'll talk to you next week. Bye bye.